Okay, so tapos na kami sa immigration and security check. Nandito na kami sa loob. Waiting for boarding, which is 6:50. Time is 4:35 pa lang. So, mahaba-haba pa lang tayo pa.
Mahaba pa. Hintay natin.
Okay, so si Mother, kasama, first time puntang Kuala Lumpur. So what can you say?
Excited.
Excited going to Kuala Lumpur now. Okay, so boarding na kami. It's 7:45. Yung mga kasama namin. Plane bound to Kuala Lumpur. It's 7 AM. See you later. Bye-bye.
Yes, bye-bye.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop? Shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep it around.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fences lights are switched off.
They come when you're near.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Dito na kami. Papunta kami sa baggage reclaim. Kuha na kaming bagahe. So, sumakay pa kami ng train pala. Doon. Sa kabila pa tayo sa baggage reclaim. Can you say, nandito sa Kuala Lumpur?
Very nice.
At saka si Father.
Very nice.
So, sa baggage reclaim na kami. Sa carousel letter G. Doon pa. Nakabili na kami ng traveler SIM card. 9 gig, 20 RM lang siya. So, times 13 pesos in Malaysian ringgit. So, punta na kami sa Klia Express. Yun ang sasakyan namin papuntang KL Sentral. Okay, so see you later in Kuala Lumpur.
Yes, bye-bye.
We're here na sa Klia Express going to Kuala Lumpur Sentral. So, nandito na sa KL Sentral. Okay, so pagdating dito sa KL Sentral, hindi namin alam kung anong kasunod. Either mag-taxi kami, mag-grab, mag-over, or whatever. So, wait lang. See you mamaya pagdating sa hotel. Okay?